All right, guys, we've got the Motayu red light therapy lamp. I'm excited to unbox this. We're going to unbox it and then test it out. Basically, red light therapy lamps are great for pain relief, muscle joint relief, but also for skin elasticity. It's anti-aging for making your skin more resilient and vibrant, repairing some cracks and wrinkles potentially. There's actually science behind this. That's why these lights are getting so popular. So here's the light itself. This is basically going to be best for like your face, which is basically what it's for. You could also light it on like specific areas, like maybe if you have like inflammation in your joints, you could angle it at like your elbow or your knees. But we're going to use this for our face. And then you also they give you goggles. So if you want to cover your eyes to make sure they don't get hurt in the process. So basically it's very simple. The lamp itself has these two legs that you can tighten and that'll hold it in place like this. Boom. So these are set up now and sturdy. And then what we can do is just plug it in, plug it into an outlet, and we're basically ready to go. And all right, guys, so here's the device working on my face. Basically, I have these goggles on to protect my eyes. And what you do is you just sit in front of this for several minutes, and exposing your skin to this is actually, over time, going to improve elasticity, improve collagen, flexibility, appearance, all that kind of stuff. It's a super cool device. And I'll turn it on you for a sec. Turn it on you in a second. This is the other option. So there's the NIR and then the LED. So this is the NIR lights. And then I'll flip over to the LED. So these are super bright. Straight up, red light therapy, dude. It's the thing popping off right now. And this device works very easily. I think the thing I like about it is it's extremely accessible for the average person. It comes with goggles to protect your eyes. And you're ready to go. I think women and men, as a preventative measure for anti-aging, I mean, this is an incredible value, and I'm looking at that number on the screen there. Why not add this to your arsenal and be proactive with your health so that you can live a long, happy, healthy life?